All right, if you got one of these '08 through 2012-ish Chrysler Jeep Dodge products where you're experiencing an issue where you cannot spend any money on fuel because it won't go into the car, just sprays back out. Got a quick vid for you. You're watching the Car Doctor channel. All right, this is an '08 Nitro. You can definitely experience this on any Chrysler Jeep model where you're having an issue putting fuel in the tank. On my initial inspection, I opened the fuel tank, fuel filler cap, and inserted my camera in the fuel tank filler. And upon reaching the base of the fill neck where it attaches to the tank, I can see an amount of fuel that's collected and holding at the bottom of the fill pipe just above the rollover valve or anti-siphon valve that's in the top of the fuel tank. So loosen the filler neck at the tank, and we're going to pop things off and see if we can get a closer look at the tank inlet where the fill pipe connects. That rubber hose, I sprayed some penetrant on the clamp and loosened it, and we'll pry that hose off of the end of the tank and take a look-see. All right, I'm just gonna gently pry the rubber hose off the tank. I'm gonna try to definitely fuel, standing fuel in the end of it. All right. There we can see just in the tank. Try to get some light down in there. It's really hard to see anything, but we'll try to free that valve up. Okay, you can definitely see where the check ball is in the closed position. So with the camera in here, you can see I've freed things up with my little screwdriver I inserted in there, and seems to be functioning properly. So I'll put that back together. It wasn't the case this time, but of course the canister side of things, the EVAP, natural vacuum leak detection pump, can be problematic, causing this issue. And one thing that's a good idea is off the canister vent side, there's a filter up in this vehicle, up in the wheel well there. These can get pretty dirty. It's good to pull that filter assembly out, clean that out, make sure you don't have a restriction here in the vent side. And you know, it's always good to check all your hoses, the vent side, the canister side, and make sure that's good. That's all fine in this case. So got things put back together. I'm gonna take it over to the gas station and see if we can put fuel in it. All right, moment of truth. Looks like she's taking fuel. Very, very good. We're just gonna have to monitor things, and if it's a reoccurring issue, we're going to have to dive deeper into the tank or contact the dealer for potential warranty repair. All right, looks like another successful repair. We're going to put this one back on the road. Keep an eye on things. I'll keep you posted if anything further develops. Thank you for watching. Have a good one.